favorite aspects working together with the Georgia Tech students is that the children of Canada can experience that even though they are not speaking the same language, they can overcome this language barrier and they can have a great time together.
So my favorite part of my internship would have to be teaching the hip-hop dance class to the young teens. It was honestly a really fulfilling and human experience, and I probably learned more from them than they did from me.
We believe that it's really crucial that the students of the Georgia Tech can have a first-hand experience about the Hungarian reality. And of course, it's also really important for us that both of the children of Canada and the students of the Georgia Tech can become more open to the world.